Good evening, everyone. This is an update on the 64 Impala project that we've been doing here. This is the passenger front fender that had a bit of rust issues to be taken care of, and as you've seen in previous videos, I did the structure about a year ago, and I wanted to finish the top sheet metal off and finally got on it. Uh, Here it is. This is all hand-formed patch panel. You can buy these, but I thought, why not? I ended up making a whole panel. Sorry about the lighting here. I made the entire thing by hand with just hand tools, including the impression that you see. It didn't take much. It was just a bit of patience, and anybody can do this. And that's kind of the focus here is to show people that anyone can do this. This isn't my primary job, and it never has been. This is just a hobby, but I've always known how to do it. And anytime that you're doing stuff, it doesn't matter if it's for somebody else or yourself, you're just honing your skills. So don't worry about the rarity of whatever you're working on. Just do it. Be aware of what you're doing, study it. There's lots of information out there. But anyways, I would just wanted to give you an update on this. It's been quite a while. Like I said, it's been about a year. And I'm just wanting to get this car on the road for the need of the vehicle for about a week. I have to take my daily down for a transmission job that I can't put off anymore. But this is the result of that. This took me about, I don't know, 3 hours last evening to pound that all in. It took about an hour to build the patch panel, about 3 hours to do the finish work. Now it's just a little bit of filler work, and it's just minor. It was done to the best of my ability. There's very minor warpage, and you got to understand that you got to take your time with this. You can't just run beads. It's tiny little spots, zap, 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 and then you can cool it off with a compressed air, which I do. You just be aware that you are going to harden your weld. This isn't structural. This is just outer sheet skin, so you're not worried about it. It just avoids the warpage. But this is the progress. I'd like to do a couple more videos here, likely along the way. It is a patina car, as you've seen in my previous videos, so I really don't want to put too much new paint on it. I want to kind of confine it to where it is, but if it doesn't look right, I will end up scuffing and shooting the rest of this panel and getting rid of all the little spots that you see here. Here's a factory run. But you have to understand that this stuff was thrown out the door. Nobody cared. This is original paint. This is the way they came. So anything that we do today is going to be on par with or better than what they did out of the factory. And of course our paint supplies are a lot better today. So that's what I run the risk of, is a bit of the paint adhesion issues I may have with blending the old and the new paint. And if that happens, so be it. We'll sand it down and carry on from there. Anyways, thank you for watching, and we'll try to get another video up as soon as I can. It's just slow in the process. It's just the way life is at the moment, but here you go again. That's how it is. Again, thank you for watching. You take care. Bye now.